Today, I'll show you how to check Adobe Acrobat's serial number. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer, then look at the top menu and click Help. In some older versions of Adobe Acrobat, you may see options like About Adobe Acrobat, System Info, Registration, or Activate. Click About Adobe Acrobat first. This can show you the version of Acrobat installed on your computer, but it may not always show the full serial number. In many newer versions of Adobe Acrobat, the serial number is not shown inside the app. This is because Adobe usually connects your license to your Adobe account instead of showing a serial number directly. To check your license details, open your browser and go to your Adobe account. Sign in with the same Adobe ID you use for Acrobat. After signing in, go to Plans and Payment, then open Products or Plans. Here, you can check whether Adobe Acrobat is active on your account. If your Acrobat license uses a serial number, you may see it listed under your registered products. If you bought Acrobat as a boxed product, check the product box, card, or email receipt. The serial number may be printed there or included in your purchase confirmation. If you bought Acrobat through a company, school, or organization, the serial number may be managed by the admin. In that case, contact your IT admin or license manager. If you only see an active subscription and no serial number, that is normal for many modern Adobe accounts. It means your Acrobat access is activated by signing in, not by entering a key. So, to keep it simple, check inside Acrobat under Help, then check your Adobe account under Plans and Payment. If you still cannot find it, check your purchase email, product box, or contact your organization admin. And that's how you check Adobe Acrobat serial number. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.